Hello everyone. For the past few months, I have been working on this project cloudpay.online. It is a website in which you can enter manim code and it will render it for you. For example, I am using this example from example gallery of manim docs and pasting it here. After that, click execute, and in a matter of few seconds, it will render the image or video for you. You can download it by using this button here. You have also the feature to save and open the codes after signing up from here. You can resize the window by dragging this. This project is completely open source. You can view the source code here. If you want to support me, you can donate. If you have any feedback or suggestions, you can use these links to contact me. I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching.